They laughed at his dream. They said he would never make it. But what happened next changed everything. In a small town, there lived a boy named Noah. Noah loved to sing. He sang everywhere, all day, every day. To Noah, singing was happiness, but to others, it was annoying. Neighbors complained. People laughed. But Noah didn't stop, because he had a dream to become a famous singer. One day, Noah decided to leave home and follow his dream. His mother hugged him. "I believe in you," she said. But his father said, "You will never be a singer." Those words hurt. The city was hard, cold, fast, and unforgiving. Noah went to many auditions and failed every time. No, not good enough. He was alone. He worked during the day as a delivery courier. At night, he washed dishes. He was tired, but he didn't give up. Music kept him alive. One night, he stayed late to clean. The restaurant was empty. He began to sing. Then suddenly, someone clapped. "You have an amazing voice," a man said. "Join our band." Noah finally had a chance. He performed every night. People listened. People clapped. He felt alive again. But then, everything ended. The restaurant closed. The band left. Noah lost everything again. Before leaving, the manager gave him a paper. "A singing contest," he said. "Winner joins a famous band." Noah looked at it. "This is my last chance." The day arrived. Noah stood backstage. His heart raced. His throat tightened. "I can't do this. I'm not ready." Then he heard a voice. "Noah." He turned around. It was his father. "I was wrong," his father said. "I believe in you." Noah walked onto the stage. This time, he wasn't afraid. He sang with all his heart. Silence. Then loud applause. "He is the best," a judge said. "If you don't give up, your dream will find a way." If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English stories.